Comedysportz in Manchester recently had a web design relaunch to showcase their comedy shows and workshops across the Northwest. I'm one of the players, so it's important to make the online presence, the website, look like a really good balance of fun and professionalism, which is what they do. This new site it's sporting a customised version of the WordPress 2017 theme, which is easily the most feature-packed of the themes that WordPress have made. There's a host of plugins under there: Jetpack for social media, My Calendar, Yoast SEO for search engine optimization, and I've made plenty of changes underneath to make the site look really consistent across the board. WordPress works really well out the box, but once you've got more than a handful of plugins, there is a risk of Frankenstein's website, so layouts and fonts can look inconsistent. So even with the most nice plugins in the world, I find that you've got to have a bit of hands-on coding to smooth out the look and feel and give it a really solid user experience. I really like the 2017 theme and how you can use it as a base for a really good website. The fact that it supports MP4 video in its header and the way it splits the homepage sections up is really cool, and that combined with the search engine optimization of Yoast, which is user friendly, is really good and clear to use, and clarity really was the key, because with this website, Comedysportz, or CSZ to be more specific, have many shows, and they need to have a website where their users can go to the site and find when the shows are on and when the workshops are on, and just click and book themselves in as they need. And I hope this website really does that job.